Hi, my name is Torbjørn and I'm part of the product team at Keepit. I'm here to tell you about Keepit's data protection service from Microsoft Teams, the best on the market. Teams data, such as channel chats, files, attachments and wiki pages, is becoming business critical. Microsoft is not providing proper backup, all the more reason to protect and manage your Teams data with a third-party backup and recovery service. Keepit provides the most complete backup coverage along with the best restore capabilities. With Keepit's intelligent search and recovery features, you'll always be in control of your data. Keepit's solution is second to none when it comes to restoring data in place, back to where it originally resided. Utilizing the latest generation Microsoft Graph API, Keepit offers hierarchical data recovery, restoring Teams data directly to Teams and not only a folder or file. Data in Teams can be created, edited, and even deleted by anyone on the team, so it's even more vulnerable to the #1 cause of data loss, human error. However, managing this decentralized cloud deployment is still an IT admin's responsibility. Keepit puts you back in control of your data. Keepit Backup and Recovery gives you holistic coverage of Teams data, including files, calendar, private and public channels, and even channel chat, all with optional unlimited retention, something the Microsoft Recycling Bin doesn't offer. Keepit has developed great features for you to easily find and recover lost data, not only saving you time with in-place restores, but also ensuring compliance and adding to your digital trust. Utilizing the Smart Search allows you to find specific files quickly. You can enable or disable the subfolder search, which allows you to search across levels. Keepit identifies non-exact matches, providing relevant results even for misspelled or incomplete searches. Recovering lost data with Keepit is incredibly simple, requiring only a few clicks. After finding your lost data, restoring it back to where it originally resided in Teams is simple yet powerful, saving valuable admin time and helping you get back to work fast. Keepit makes time-consuming manual data recovery a thing of the past. Built in the cloud, for the cloud, is the best option for protecting and managing your Teams data. Keepit offers the most complete backup coverage, optimal search and recovery options, and predictable pricing. To try it yourself in a free 30-day trial, visit our website to sign up for a demo. I hope this video gave you some insight into how versatile and simple cloud data protection and management is with Keepit. Thank you for watching.